Lily and Tom are friends. They are best friends. Lily has a red ball. Tom has a blue car. They play together every day. One sunny day, Lily and Tom go to the park. The park has green grass. It has tall trees. There are many flowers. The flowers are red, yellow, and blue. Lily throws her red ball. Tom runs after it. He laughs. The ball bounces high. Lily claps her hands. Tom catches the ball. He gives it back to Lily. Now Tom plays with his blue car. He pushes it on the grass. "Vroom, vroom," says Tom. Lily watches him. She smiles. The car goes fast. It goes under a tree. It goes over a rock. Suddenly the blue car stops. It is stuck. Tom tries to push it. He tries to pull it. The car does not move. Tom is sad. Lily sees Tom. She sees the stuck car. She wants to help. She puts down her red ball. She walks to Tom. "What's wrong?" asks Lily. "My car is stuck," says Tom. He looks at the car. He looks at Lily. He is very sad. Lily looks at the car. She looks at the rock. The car is stuck behind the rock. Lily has an idea. "I can help," says Lily. Tom looks at Lily. "How?" he asks. Lily picks up a small stick. She uses the stick to move the rock. The rock moves a little. The car is still stuck. Lily tries again. She pushes the rock harder. She wiggles the stick. The rock moves more. Tom helps her. He pushes the car. Slowly, the car moves. It is free. Tom is happy. He picks up his blue car. He hugs it. "Thank you, Lily," says Tom. Lily smiles. "You're welcome, Tom," she says. Tom and Lily play together again. Tom pushes his blue car. Lily throws her red ball. They are happy. They are best friends. After a while, they get tired. They sit under a big tree. The tree has green leaves. The sun shines through the leaves. It is warm and bright. Lily and Tom talk. They talk about their toys. They talk about their families. They talk about their favorite colors. Lily's favorite color is red. Tom's favorite color is blue. "My ball is red like your car," says Lily. "My car is blue like your ball," says Tom. They laugh. They are happy to be friends. The sun starts to go down. It is time to go home. Lily and Tom say goodbye. "See you tomorrow," says Lily. "See you tomorrow," says Tom. They walk home. Lily holds her red ball. Tom holds his blue car. They think about their day at the park. They think about their friendship. Lily and Tom know they are lucky. They have each other. They are best friends. They will always be there for each other. They will always play together. They will always be best friends. When Lily gets home, she puts her red ball away. She eats dinner with her family. She tells them about her day at the park. She tells them about Tom. When Tom gets home, he puts his blue car away. He eats dinner with his family. He tells them about his day at the park. He tells them about Lily. Later, Lily and Tom go to bed. They think about their best friend. They smile. They know they will have more fun tomorrow. They will play together again. They will be best friends forever. They fall asleep, happy and content. They know they are lucky to have each other. They are the best of friends.